Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Mazda BT50 Freestyle Cab XT, stock reference number 4142. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 and is the current shape. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right front and the left rear. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Right hand headlight to be assessed once removed. Left hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch steel rims. Left front has a bald tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Has an alloy toolbox, tip-top equipment brand. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door also appears to have no damage. Right mirror, power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console. 4-wheel drive type, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.